So it snowed last night, and I get to drive 25 miles to school in this junk. Let's go ahead and do a cold start. This is my 1994 Saturn SL2 Homecoming Edition. And let's just go ahead and lift these up. Because knowing me, I could have easily left them on because it was raining last night. I wasn't intending to wake up to this. I think this is actually the second cold start I've done because it snowed about a week after I bought the car last year. Alright, let's do this. And it's really dark. And it's really messy inside of here. That's a school project I've been meaning to take in with me to school for a week now. But anyway. Yep, I did leave the windshield wipers on. Starts up just like normal. Let's go ahead and get some heat lasting. And Scrapey is in the trunk. You can see, starts up just as good as it always does.